Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Okay. So, dear students, today we are going to complete the exercise of this chapter, chapter 7, A and the. A and the. So, dear children, as I taught you this chapter in my previous video, so today we are going to complete the exercise of this chapter. So let's start. Can you take out your book and open page number 39. 39. Take out your grammar book and open page number 39. So let's start. Now we will complete the exercise of this chapter. Okay. So for this, take out your English grammar book and open page number 39. 39. So let's start. Brain testers. Complete the following sentences by using a, an or the. Complete the following sentences by using a, an or the. Number 1. I ate dash omelette. I ate dash omelette. So dear children, omelette, omelette. So in this, O is a vowel. So for this, before omelette we use an. We use an. Okay. Now next, turn the page. Now next, open page number 40. Number 2, I saw dash giraffe. I saw dash giraffe. Dear children, as you can see, giraffe begins with consonant sound. Giraffe. Giraffe. G is a consonant. So before giraffe, we have to use a. We have to write a. I saw a giraffe. Number 3, dash. Ganges is a secret river. Ganges is a secret river. So Ganges is this is the name of river. So before Ganges we have to write the. Okay. Number 4, there is dash bird in the nest. There is dash bird in the nest. There is a bird because bird start with consonant B-I-R-D. There is a bird in the nest. Number 5, Neha drinks dash glass of milk every day. A glass of milk every day. Neha drinks a glass of milk every day. So G is a consonant. So before consonant we have to write a. Okay. Next, dash umbrella saves us from rain. So umbrella start with a vowel sound. So before we use a, umbrella saves us from rain. Number 7, dash Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. This is the name of the place. So for this we use the Sahara Desert. 8, he is an engineer because engineer begins with a vowel sound. An engineer. He is an engineer. Number 9, Aladdin had a magic lamp. Aladdin had a magic lamp. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. So now next, fun with colors. Fun with colors. See the colorful pictures and write a or an for each of them in pink color. Okay, dear children, you have to use pink color for writing. Okay, let's start. Use pink color only. What is now first picture is, can you see? Can you tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a rose. So what is the spelling of rose? R-O-S-E, rose. So rose begins with a consonant sound. So before rose we have to write A. A, rose. Next, elephant. This is elephant. So E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephant begins with a vowel sound. So before E, before elephant, you have to write an elephant. Like this, apple, A is vowel. So in here, write an apple. Ink pot, I is vowel, an ink pot, an ink pot. A, hut, H is consonant, A, hut. A, box. As you can see, these words, this and this start with consonant sound. So for this we use A. A, bat. This is also consonant. An ear, an ear. A ship, a sheep, and a crow. Okay. Now next, turn the page, open page number 41. Page number 41. A. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. A. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Okay. So dear children, as you can see, one picture is there. According to the picture, you have to fill in this blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So Ria has dash aunt. What we will write? An, because aunt, A is vowel. Okay. And aunt. Sorry. Ria has an aunt. Her name is Radhika. She is a housewife. On Monday, she went to the market, because the market is a place, particular place. Okay. The market, she brought a tea set, a mug, a lemon set, and a packet of biscuits. She also brought an egg from the shop. After returning home, she made an omelette. She served it on a plate. Okay. As you can see, before vowels we have to write an, and before consonant we have to write a. Okay. Now next, B. Every sentence has an error relating to a, an, and the. Encircle the mistake and rewrite the sentence correctly. Okay. Dear children, as you can see, one sentence is written here and every sentence has an error related like a, an, and the. So we have to circle it. We have to circle the error and rewrite the sentence again. Number 1. A sun sets in the west. Dear children, as I taught you, the is used generally point out a particular person, place, or things. So in this, sun is a particular. There is only one sun in whole world. So before A is wrong, in this we have to write the sun sets in the west. So this is the correct sentence. The sun sets in the west. Next, number 2. A old man met a young girl. Dear children, A old man, O-L-D, old. As you can see, O is vowel. So here we have to write an old man met a young girl. Now the rest you have to do. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. This is your homework. You have to complete it. Okay, dear children. Thank you.